What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're playing Animal Company in our home. I wonder if this shows up on. Today we're playing Animal Company. Animal Company got an update. I know I'm behind on this update, but who cares? Yeah. Today in this video we're gonna be we're gonna be sharing some leaks in the top of the in this video somewhere. So yeah, I got these leaks. I got these leaks from Massive. Massive is one of my friends on VR. Can't find him on here and shit. So yeah, I think he is like I don't. Oh wait, I did something wrong. And he's not live anymore. So yeah. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna go mining. And I'm gonna show you some screen. It's gonna be happening. It's gonna be a new update and some new monster changes. We already did the description shit. They made this bigger. And there's events and shit. You put your hands here and see what's happening. Yeah, sure. So yeah, I think that's all. No, they added a new item. It's an axe. Wait, where is it? Right there. Yeah, right there. There. And somewhere in this video, there should be screenshots of what should be the next update. I'm not mine those, just mind these ones. Oh, they finally put the thing here so you can grab it now. It's nice. And also put labels on the tape seal. I don't think there's a new setting on this one. Yeah, there's no new setting. What's going on here? Is it in the short videos? I'm making other videos and shit. Sorry that I didn't. No. Again, I said sorry. I'm so sorry I didn't get the upload and shit. But yeah, it's like. Oh my god. I'm going in the dark so we can use it times. I am creating my own fan code in 2 different games. I have a fan code. I'm creating my own fan code in Big Scary. My fan code is Megan, which is my name, which is my name. There's nothing for my first name. Oh no. Hello. Alright, there should be screenshots somewhere. I think there should be like a screenshot of the first of the video. I'm gonna put a screenshot right on the screen for LOL. Yeah, that's a for. Yeah, there should be like a screenshot right there. I'm gonna put another one on the screen like 30 seconds soon. Soon, so. This video is gonna be short because my headset's right now. Next time, I will try to do better. Oh yeah, sometimes I'm gonna be doing Big Scary videos, so you really expect me. Come on. It's okay. Look what am I saying, bro? Did I just drop my bag? I get this much for now because I don't want my back getting more heavy. Whee! Ow, that's lava. Ooh, that flash, man. Alright. There should be another cut. There should be another screenshot on this one. What the? Should be another screenshot. Just remember, I got all of these screenshots. They're not mine. Nice. Alright. Is there anything else that I missed? Alright. Shut up. Yeah, I'm gonna put another screenshot on the screen. So yeah. What's good, bud?
Orange? Yo, bro, you want an arena gun?
Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Yeah, please.
Don't dump it out. It doesn't work in normal
I
lobbies.
can't hear you guys, so yeah. What are you guys saying?
Don't mind.
But can I put it in separate backpacks?
Yes, but you can't. But you have to do it while you're in your stash. So you have to like put it in your hand in the stash like this. So you have to grab an arena gun out from the bag, put it in your hand right here, and then transfer it to the bag.
Yo, Mega Mommy. Mega Mommy. Is that your name? I can't really describe it.
What?
Yo, can you get out, please?
Yo, who
who the hell are you, though?
I'm your friend. Your friend. Cause you're
is that
right here? The bag. Don't dump it
There's
out.
nothing here.
It doesn't work.
Oh, there's
It
an
only
X on
works
my
in
back. That's fine.
Go check it out. It's in there. Or did it fly out?
Oh, can I test it out? Is it kind of like?
No, it doesn't work in normal lobbies. But it
No,
is
like
there.
can I pull it outside my stash?
No, you can't. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work in normal lobbies at all. It just doesn't work. But it still is very rare.
Can I use it in like a private server?
No, you just can't use it at all on normals. But it's still very rare. Could you please stop doing that?
How did you get that though? How the hell did you get that?
I can't tell you.
Run the war code. Oh, shit.
I'm letting
kill some people. Again.
JMO Ninja.
You're talking about my heart.
JMO Ninja first.
Actually, that's it.
Wait, no, it's the guy that's wearing the same mask as JMO Ninja. Both of them. Get both of them. Everyone needs to lock in.
Where did you go? Where did that guy go? Why? Hold on. Please do not kill my friend.
Please do not kill me. Actually, never mind. We're not sure. Ow, chill out. I just need an umbrella, bro. I just need an umbrella. I just needed an umbrella. I just wanted an umbrella.
There's an umbrella.
All I wanted was an umbrella, bro.
There are literally 2 umbrellas.
Can I not buy bro? Is it illegal to buy umbrella?
Everybody report this,
Bro.
he has pajamas.
Bong Ching Kong. Bong Ching Kong.
It's mine. It's mine.
Bong Ching Kong.
Everyone wants.
Bong Ching Kong.
It's mine.
Bong Ching Kong.
Everybody
Yes.
Oh my god. Is it illegal to have a saber sword? Like,
and also he's ballistic.
Why is there a giant axe?
No, he says I suck at the game.
who's hitting?
That's so cat. What?
Why are you targeting me?
The shields don't protect you from nothing.
This is the power I promised you.
You a fool.
Never mind. What's wrong with me? It's not you a fool.
Yo, who the hell has that item?
You want the power.
Yo, I need to make a. I want to make a video of me making the different colors of these, right?
Bro, seriously, stop.
Okay, I'm about to die.
Wait, let me call him. Alright, come close, come close.
I wanna wish right now, wish right now.
Throwing up some.
Guys, what? Give me more was holding up chainsaws. Everybody report.
What the fuck? It won't let me leave. Alright, here's the part we're gonna end the video here now. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be putting out a new profile picture. So let's just set it up real quick. A little higher. Yep, there you go. There you go. Alright. Now, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please please hit the like button, please. And yeah, make sure to share, like, and follow. I'm almost at 100 followers. I need to hit 100 followers, bro. I need to go live, please. Please and thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.